Here I have an ultrasonic cleaner machine, which is really nice because you can use this for glasses, jewelry, toiletry items, office equipment, and metal items. All you're gonna need is some water with some diluted soap. Here is the machine itself. This is what it looks like. Just a normal little machine. It comes with tweezers. You have this cloth thing to dry it off, and the power cord as well, and a user manual. The user manual is going to be used just so more details, what you can and can't use. You don't want to use, if you're going to clean your glasses, you don't want to use glasses that have scratches on them, just because the liquid could just mess the glasses up. So I have the power cord. I'm just going to plug it in. The adapter is on the back. Plug it in. The lid's off. You have the power button. You have an LED light. As you can hear, it's already going, but I don't need it to go yet. So I'm just going to pour my diluted soap and water in here, and it does have a max fill line, so you don't overfill it. I filled it just enough. I have my glasses, and then I'm just going to put the lid back on here, and then I'm just going to let it go. And as you can hear it on the mic, it is just cleaning it, which is really nice because sometimes my glasses get dirty and I want them to be extra clean, especially since I work in the healthcare field. This has more benefits than you think. If you want to clean jewelry with it, it'll just get all that gunk out of your jewelry. Maybe you have some little greenery or rusting going on. This definitely will help as well. I really like this, and it's bubbling in there, which means it's getting all clean inside. You can use the tweezers to take it out. I don't need to use the tweezers just because I don't have any small objects in here, just my glasses. Another thing you don't want to put in here is you definitely do not want to put any electronics in here, like your phone or your Apple Watch or your AirPods. You don't want to put in here just because it is water and that's what's cleaning it, along with the whatever's built in here, you know? So I just took my glasses out. They're nice, cleansed, and ready for me to wear. So if you're looking for something to just cleanse your items, like your glasses and your jewelry, or whatever you want to put in here except electronics, this definitely is a good choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.